welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into Google Meet, an essential tool within Google Workspace that revolutionizes how we conduct virtual meetings. Whether you're working remotely or connecting with team members across the globe, Google Meet offers a seamless, high-quality video conferencing experience. Let's explore what makes Google Meet so powerful. Key features of Google Meet. Now, let's look at the key features that make Google Meet stand out. 1. High-definition video and audio. Enjoy crystal-clear video and audio quality in your meetings. 2. Large meetings. Host meetings with up to 250 participants on standard plans and up to 500 on premium plans. 3. Screen sharing. Share your screen or specific windows easily, making presentations a breeze. 4. Real-time captions. Enable real-time captions for better accessibility and inclusivity. 5. Meeting recording. Record your meetings and save them directly to Google Drive for future reference. 6. Security. Benefit from robust security features including encryption and host controls. 7. Integration with Google Workspace. Seamlessly integrate with Google Calendar, Gmail, and Drive for a unified experience. And that's a wrap on our guide to Google Meet within Google Workspace. Do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of next upcoming video on Google Meet setup. Thanks for watching and see you next time.